Sure. And the people who are here for the first time, you should volunteer. And who else? You want to come here? So we don't want to be indecent, but just touch here, touch here, yeah, here, and touch here. And you squeeze a little bit. Yours is the main power. You feel this here, and as I go like this here, and now feel here. This has to go like this. So the word for this place is called the snake swallows the elephant. It means it's a tube, it's going to reverse itself. You get a plastic tube and push here and inside and it comes here, this comes back here, now the inside is outside. And this has to do that action. That's how difficult that is. See, watch, we're here. Can you see? So everything reverses itself. Now go.
From where?
Yeah, just from here. Yeah.
Okay.
Here. Okay. Okay. Too far. It's here. No. From here. Here. You leave your body here, okay? Only by closing here, it causes here.
No,
this way.
This way. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, but the move is not hand. Leave your hands there. It's by doing this. Yeah, not hand. Watch me. Touch here. Touch here. You want like this.
Yes.
It's. This move is activated here. It's always, whenever you have a horizontal move, which is the arm, that move is powered by the vertical action. Go. Okay? No punch. Place. Go, place. That's it. No, a little bit more. That's it. Don't move. Hold him straight. Two hands hold direction. I'm holding here. Can I have another person? And lock him here. And then pull him this way. Now on cue, okay? Now you push this here. That's it. So what was left was this leaned. This has to be totally in the middle. Now, okay? Yeah, watch here. Watch this here.
Yeah, I was leaning.
Yeah. Now go.
Relax.
Go. No. This way.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. No. You bumped your buttock. The buttock you push towards me, but I'm locking it so it goes to your knee. But the knee is pushed up, so it goes in. That's it. It's on your heel, right? And turn. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Far enough?
Sure, no, finish it. Don't move. Go back. Stay there. Watch. Okay. Can you go hold his dantian torso there? Do not let him wobble. Okay. You can rotate inside the brace. Don't move here. Don't lock, but don't move. Only rotate your waist. Your shoulder went high. Okay. Go back. Stay here. Rotate. Now go back. Now rotate. The power must be here, and lock here. And only rotate this way, but this rotation is compensation for here. Okay, go. That's it. Still too high.
Right. Shoulders.
When the shoulder is low, your power is on your heel. Okay, turn your quad. No. Can you see one up?
Don't let this come out. You let this
only
come
turn here. No. Can you see everything?
I'm sorry.
You can't lock it. Watch. Hold me. Yeah. So watch here. You pop here. Yeah. This is typical. That's okay. We'll do it here. Okay. Because he's so strong, we all go like this. No move. Only here. Can you see? We all like to do this. Yeah. Watch again. No move. Touch. Touch. Don't push. It stays here. Not like this. Okay, assume you did it. Okay. Yeah, can you see too stiff? Watch me. Here, you are like this. I exaggerate it. But, very good. Good. All right.